No matter how much robotic vacuum cleaners improve, cleaning edges and corners remains a pressing issue. Some other brands have introduced the active mechanical arm solution, but this design has flaws. The mopping pad either retracts completely, missing the edges, or extends fully, causing damage to furniture. When encountering corners, the robots must stop, retract the mop, turn around, and then extend the mop again, leading to inefficiency and large uncleaned areas. Ecovacs R&D team offers a better solution, TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping. Unlike the active mechanical arm, TruEdge looks similar but functions very differently. The key feature of TruEdge is the constant outward expansion with flexible retraction of the mopping pad. Specifically, during normal edge cleaning, TruEdge ensures the mopping pad extends to outermost position for thorough edge cleaning. When encountering complex environments or protruding furniture, it can instantly retract flexibly. With rapid extension and retraction, the DEEBOT mopping pad cleans around table and chair legs that regular robots can reach. It leaves almost no gaps when turning corners, maximizing coverage without damaging furniture. This capability is thanks to the innovative continuous variable mop extender, allowing the mopping pad to stop at any position between fully extended and fully retracted. The OMNI directional sensory system and Ecovacs proprietary deep pad planning and obstacle avoidance algorithms accurately calculates the edge distance. This keeps the mopping pad in the best, safest position throughout the edge cleaning. By strategically retracting and extending at the right moment, TruEdge achieves dynamic edge cleaning, effectively solving the edge and corner cleaning problem. TruEdge Adaptive Edge Mopping technology is now applied to several Ecovacs DEEBOT products.